Hello, today we will presenting our fast automatic seamless transfer power management system for the yachting industry, also known as FAST-PMS. We will briefly discuss some of the core features and interface navigation first, then demonstrate a real-world example using our Go Fishing feature. Some core features include single load or dual load bus management. Combine 2 shore cords into 1 load bus to improve load management. Efficient seamless transfer between all sources controlled by predictive algorithm. Manual or automatic generator start-stop and transfer supply to the load bus. Safe automated functionalities and user-defined presets. To start, we would like to show you our typical installation diagrams using our switchgear. This is also the exact configuration we will simulate here on our bench. The demonstration will include 2 marine transformers for shore cord A and shore cord B, 2 fuel generators A and B, 2 load buses A and B, and 2 daisy-chained HMI 7-inch touch displays. Our system can control different size generators automatically, small and large, which is extremely important to mitigate cost and global warming. So you can seamless transfer to the small generator when the load is low, then back to the larger one, or run both when needed. All which can be done automatically. It is also important to note that our FAST-PMS can work with your existing switchgear panel as displayed in this graph. Here is a quick view of our bench setup. In the near future, we will have a video showing installation and everything functioning on a vessel. On the main screen interface, you can see the generators on the top with their respective contactor symbols, while on the bottom you have your shore cords A and B and their contactors. And in the middle you have the tie bus contactor. The symbols in the middle stand for transformers parallel and series mode. Settings is on top right, and you have your submenus on bottom screen. We will now navigate to set our preset 0 before connecting our shore cables. Preset 0 has predefined settings of system mode set to auto, split bus mode set to off, and preferred source is set to shore. Once we connect both shore cables, the system will automatically detect the set preset and apply them automatically. As you can see now, both shore cables are on and working in series. Now we will navigate and show how you can change to another preset, in this case preset 4, while the shore cables are already connected. In preset 4, the predefined settings are system mode set to auto, split bus mode set to on, and preferred source set to shore. So now both shore cords are working in parallel. Besides our 5 predefined presets, users can set up to 15 different customized presets. Next, we will go to Modes page under Settings. Here you can manually turn modes on and off in real time. Anything highlighted in gray can only be changed by an authorized installer, which we will show here in a moment. In Shore page under Settings, you can see all detailed information for both shore cables A and B. You will see same detailed information when selecting generator under Settings. Also, you will see real-time status of breakers here as well. And although we do not have our Nauti Boost connected to these transformers, you will be able to see more detailed information under the Nauti Boost menu. The log page under settings is a very useful place to find any system events, errors, or alarms. Each are color-coded and can be filtered easily by only selecting the logs you want to see. Under the alarm page in settings, the user can find any critical and non-critical alarms. As you can see, when the breaker is triggered, it will generate an alarm, always waiting to make sure it is not a faulty alarm condition. Once confirmed, it will appear. The user will also have the option to acknowledge an alarm manually in order to clear it. On the second page under settings, we have stats page. This page is currently under development but will show real-time sine waves of our different phases. Next, you have the time page. Here you can manually adjust the time and dates of your system. On brightness page, you can adjust your screen brightness, time to dim and time to sleep settings. It is also sun bright readable. On the manual page, you can conveniently open up the user manual for the system. Now let's get into the installer's page. Here you will have a genie that can help guide you step by step for the install, and allow you to change the gray highlighted modes and threshold that a regular user can't. This section is strictly for installers and will require a password in order to proceed. As you can see, once the password is set, now the installer can go and change things like circulating voltage threshold, dual to single load threshold, single to dual load threshold, and second shore waiting timeout. Here you can see the changes also recorded on the system logs. This concludes our interface and features demo. We will now proceed to show you our built-in Go Fishing feature next. Before getting into the Go Fishing macro, we want to also show a normal system behavior in the case of a shore cord tripping overnight. First, we will plug in a single shore cord and allow it to feed both bus. Then shore breaker trips overnight, which can immediately start depleting batteries. A mobile notification is received via our mobile app. The generator will auto-start and feed both buses. Someone comes in the morning and turns breaker back on. Once both cords are back on, the generator will transfer both cords without any blackout. So here we will plug in single cord to feed both bus. As you can see, we have auto start and stop generator set to on, and we also have the preferred auto start generator set to generator B. Now shore cord A is plugged in and feeding both bus A and B. Now let's say you went home and the shore cable A trips overnight. Now the user will be notified via our mobile app and can go and turn breaker back on right away or the following morning. Since the generator is set to auto start, We should see the system wait to see if the user intended to shut breaker off. After a brief delay, the system will auto-start the proffered generator to bring all onboard electricals back on. And now we can hear and see the generator starting up automatically. And in a brief moment will close and start to feed both buses. Now that the generator is on, everything is back on and your batteries are safe from being depleted. At this point the breaker was turned back on, and the user also plugged in second short cord. The system will automatically detect and begin a seamless transfer between the generator and the short cords. The transfer happens so fast that we had to slow it down for you to see. On the right you can see a snapshot of our predictive algorithm waiting for the perfect concurrent zero crossing between sources in order to make the seamless transfer. It is important to note that no modifications to the generators are required to do this, as we are using our high current patent pending digital switching system to take the load during the transfer. These are illustrated as the bottom yellow lines of the contactors. And now the generator will automatically shut down and give priority to short cords. The generator shutting down will also help save on fuel and electricity bill. Now we are all set and ready to go fishing. All the user has to do is turn on our Go Fishing macro. Once you turn on, the system will now automatically turn on your preferred generator, then proceed to do another seamless transfer between your short cords to the generator. Okay, generator is on, and now we will slow down for the seamless transfer. Now that the generator is feeding both buses, you can unplug both short cords and go on your fishing trip. Now let's say while out at sea you want to switch from one generator to distribute runtime between them or for any other reasons. No problem, all you have to do is make sure your auto stop gen is turned to on. Then click on the desired generator and hit start generator. Once again, after a brief delay, the second generator will turn on and begin the seamless transfer. Now generator B will shut off. Now let's say we are back to shore and ready to dock. Once you plug in both short cords A and B, then all you have to do is change preferred source from generator to shore. This will begin the automatic seamless transfer from generator to your short cords. This concludes our FAST-PMS demonstration. In upcoming videos, we will have full installation steps and more in-depth demonstration on a vessel. Please subscribe and follow to stay up to date. Make sure to visit our website and check out all of our products. Thank you for watching.